Have you ever looked at your finances and felt like you're drowning in a sea of numbers? Or maybe you've tried budgeting apps before but found them too complicated or restrictive. What if I told you there's a financial tool that could help you take control of your money without the hassle? That's where Wave Finance comes in. But how do you actually set it up to work for you? Let's dive in. Understanding Wave Finance. Before we start configuring, let's quickly understand what Wave Finance is. It's more than just a budgeting app. It's a financial management tool designed to help you track income, expenses, create budgets, and even invest. Think of it as your personal financial coach. Getting started. The first step is to download the app. It's available on both iOS and Android. Once downloaded, open the app and tap on Create Account. You'll need to provide your email, create a strong password, and verify your account. Personal information. After setting up your account, you'll be prompted to add personal information. This includes your name, date of birth, and occupation. This data is essential for the app to provide personalized financial insights. Linking your accounts. Now, this is where the magic happens. Wave Finance allows you to link your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts. This is crucial for accurate financial tracking. Don't worry about security. Wave uses industry-standard encryption to protect your data. To link your accounts, go to the Accounts tab. Tap on Link Account, select your bank, and follow the on-screen instructions. You might need to verify your identity through a one-time password or other security measures. Categorizing transactions. Wave Finance uses smart algorithms to categorize your transactions, but it's always a good idea to review and edit them. This helps the app learn your spending habits better. To categorize a transaction, simply tap on it and select the correct category. You can also add subcategories for more detailed tracking. For instance, under the dining category, you could have subcategories like restaurants, fast food, and coffee. Setting up budgets. Budgets are the heart of financial planning. To set up a budget, go to the Budget tab. You can create different budget categories like housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. Assign a monthly limit to each category. Wave Finance allows you to set up both static and flexible budgets. A static budget has fixed amounts for each category, while a flexible budget allows you to reallocate funds between categories. Tracking your progress. Wave Finance provides various tools to help you track your financial progress. You can see your income and expenses, net worth, and spending habits. The app also offers insights and recommendations based on your financial data. Investing with Wave Finance. Many versions of Wave Finance offer investment features. If your app has this option, you can link your investment accounts and track your portfolio performance. The app might also provide investment advice based on your financial goals. Security and privacy. Wave Finance prioritizes user security and privacy. Your financial data is encrypted, and the app complies with data protection regulations. However, it's essential to create a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for added security. Customizing Wave Finance. To make the app truly yours, you can customize its appearance, notifications, and settings. You can choose a theme, select which notifications you want to receive, and adjust data privacy settings. Troubleshooting common issues. While Wave Finance is generally user-friendly, you might encounter some issues. Common problems include account linking errors, transaction categorization issues, and app crashes. Most of these problems can be resolved by checking your internet connection, updating the app, or contacting Wave Finance support. Conclusion. Configuring Wave Finance might seem overwhelming at first, but with a little time and effort, you can set it up to perfectly suit your financial needs. Remember, consistency is key. Use the app regularly to track your finances, set goals, and achieve financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.